What's up, everybody? I'm back with another video. I know it's been a little while, been pretty busy, as well as with the virus that's going on. I hope everyone's staying safe and healthy. So just have a new video here for you guys, for everyone that is part of the new Slack channel, the Freedom MVMT with Omar's group. So I just want to help you guys get this set up, getting your IM Academy ID onto your Slack profile. That's how we're gonna verify everybody and make sure that you're in the right channel, and everyone that's supposed to be there is there. So just to start off, I want you guys to go to the IM Academy up here. Let's just get over here, up here. And then we're going to log in. And when you log in, you can see at the very top here, this is your ID, this part right here. So you're going to copy this part, copy, and then you're going to log into the Slack. If you haven't gotten the link, be sure to check out the Telegram channel. And if not, be sure to talk to either Jevan or Omar, and they can help you get set up there. So we're going to go to your, up here in the left-hand corner, we're going to click on the little pull-down menu, and you're going to click on to view profile. And then that's going to pop up this area right here. And you're going to click on edit profile. And then in your profile, where it says what I do, you're going to put in the ID number, okay? And it's as easy as that. It's not too hard. Just remember, so we're going to click save changes. And then as you can see right under my name, it has the ID from IML. So just again, one more time, you're going to go on to the IM Academy website. And remember, at the very top right-hand corner, there's your ID. You're going to copy that. You're going to go back into Slack, and you're going to go to the pull-down menu up in the top left-hand corner. You're going to hit View Profile, and then you're going to hit Edit Profile, and you're going to put it into what I do, okay? Pretty easy. If you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment down in the comment section. It's pretty straightforward. And if you need any help besides that, if I can't help you out in the comments, which I'll be watching pretty closely, be sure to reach out to either Jevan or Omar, and they can help you guys get set up as well. But I think it's pretty straightforward here. Just be sure to save after you finished it, and that's it. So I hope everyone has a great weekend. Be sure to drink your lots of water, vitamin C, stay healthy, and I look forward to seeing everybody on the live chats.